Hey guys, this is Chetan for Gizmo Times, and this is a quick preview of the upcoming Realme 8 Pro. There are two smartphones getting launched from Realme. One is the 8 Pro and obviously the other one, the Realme 8. We're not going to talk about every aspect or feature here. We are allowed to only show you a few things. One of the major things would be showing the phone itself. So here, this is the box package, the standard box package that Realme has, and for the Realme 7, there was a brand ambassador being showcased, but here no, they are back to what they were, and the basics here. You have the number one smartphone brand, the number one quality smartphone brand being mentioned on the front, and this is the box package. We aren't allowed to show the back panel, so back of the box, so we won't show that. So now let's keep this aside and talk about the smartphone itself. So this is the Realme 8 Pro. Now this is the quad camera combination on the back of the phone, and a proper mention for what is really important here. That's 108 megapixel quad camera setup. So the primary camera here is the 108 MP sensor. For the first time, Realme is bringing their first smartphone with the 108 MP sensor, and that's the Samsung sensor obviously. On the front you have this beautiful display, but I can't talk a lot about it. You already probably know about everything here from Realme social media pages or from the leaks and rumors, but as I'm not allowed to talk more about it, I won't do that. We could directly jump into what is really important. This is Realme UI 2.0 based on Android 11, and this is one of the first smartphones to come with Android 11 based Realme UI 2.0 out of the box. So you don't have to worry about the updates. You don't have to wait for the major Android update coming into this smartphone because it already is present there. Now, if you have to give a quick gist of what this smartphone actually brings in terms of the Android 11 based Realme 2.0, you have this one which is actually very good and important. So this is the dark mode, but dark mode isn't a single style dark mode. There are three styles for it. There is enhanced style, there's medium style, and there's also gentle. So the enhanced one obviously makes it much more darker, and it also helps adjust the other features are all the same, where you can adjust the wallpapers to the dark mode, you can adjust the icons to dark mode, and also the reduced contrast in low light conditions. But this is where some people might not like the dark mode to be that dark, but in most of the smartphones you can't change it. Here you can do that. You have three styles to choose from. Now if you go back to the light mode, that's how it is on most of the standard smartphones that don't have a dark mode. Now you also have the other features such as personalizations. This is one of those areas which was introduced in the Realme UI 2.0, and it brings in everything at one single place. You have icon styles, and these are the default styles that you could obviously change, but that's not it. You could go to Play Store, download any icon pack, and you can easily switch it from here. That's one of the major changes here. It gives you that customization possibility like what the stock Android does. On stock Android, you could do anything. You could change the icon styles, you can change the launchers, you could do anything. That is possible here. You can change the icon styles pretty much easily here. Now Android 11 based security features are also being pushed here. That are also being provided here. Alongside that, you have private space. You also have features such as the payment protection. So if you go into the security features here, you would see the payment protection, which also is one of the features present in the Android 11 based Realme 2.0. Then you also have the private safe. You can actually save your files and applications under a password. That won't be kept open unless you enter a password, get into the private safe, and then open those particular apps or files that you have hidden there. So there's a lot more into the Android 11 based Realme 2.0, but we'll be talking more about that in the unboxing and our feature overview video later. Right now, that's it. This was a quick overview of what the Realme 8 Pro is bringing on the table. And one of the features that I missed first is this thing. You see two things here which are actually, one is the wired earphones, one is the wireless one. So in case you are using two together, for a quick example, if you are watching a movie series or any series on Netflix or Amazon or anywhere, and you want to share the same with your friend, but you don't have, they don't sit just next to you, you can actually have this as a use case. You can hand them over the Bluetooth earphones, and then you could go into the Realme lab, have both of them connected, and you have this dual mode audio where connecting both of them together you can work with both of them together. So it would give that audio to both of them at the same time. Using the 3.5 headset jack, you can actually use the wide earphones, and with the Bluetooth you could use the wireless earbuds or the wireless earphones, and the audio output would be done to both of them at the same time. So that's also one of the features which I personally liked when the Realme UI 2.0 was introduced. So that is also going to be given in this smartphone. So that's it, guys. This was a quick preview of the Realme 8 Pro that is launching on the 24th of March. And we'll be anyway doing the gaming review and the other videos of that. So stay tuned for that. And I would say personally, I like this design. I dig this design for the fact that it comes with this matte finish, and so it actually looks good. So you can also take a quick look at it, and that's it, guys. I hope you like this video. If you do, share and subscribe to Gizmo for more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.